Hello, everyone. I'm Steve Messinio, President and CEO of the Marlborough Regional Chamber of Commerce, here with another Chamber Spotlight video. And very pleased today to have one of our newest members, Kennedy Nyairo from Combined Insurance, joining us to share some information about his business. So, Kennedy, welcome to our show. Appreciate you being here, and also welcome to the Chamber as you joined recently. Tell us a little bit about yourself, as well as a little bit about Combined Insurance and its offerings.
Yes. Thank you, Steve, for this interview. My name is, again, Kennedy Nyairo. I am an independent agent with Combined Insurance.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm very excited to have the chance to talk about it. And we're also very happy to join the Marlborough Chamber, because I think it's a fantastic opportunity to help the community and also to network with various companies that have similar interests and also benefit, obviously, from the opportunities that the Chamber offers.
Excellent.
So Combined Insurance actually is part of the Chubb Insurance, Chubb, the big, billion-dollar company.
Yep.
And we focus more on supplemental insurance.
Okay.
So supplemental insurance that goes beyond the traditional insurance that you get healthcare. For example, in healthcare, you normally get insurance that covers various aspects, but the ones that we are focused with at Combined is really supplemental, that goes beyond just the traditional healthcare insurance.
I gotcha. So coverage, when your current health insurance plan covers only so much, and that you offer a supplemental plan, for example, to help people with that.
Yes.
Gotcha.
Yes. So it's for example, it protects various aspects. Actually, for example, if you are sick and you cannot work. So we come in and provide income protector,
Gotcha.
For example,
Okay.
protect the income. And also there's sickness. We have a sickness plus option where you get also covered in terms of sickness. Yeah.
Now, do you offer any other supplemental benefits outside of the two you just mentioned?
Yeah, there are more. There are a lot more, but those are the ones I'm currently focusing on. And the critical illness is another one. And they are actually both individual as well as business group insurance.
I see. So you can actually work with individuals and businesses that are looking to offer it to their employees.
Exactly.
Gotcha.
Exactly.
Gotcha.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
All right, so you're really focused on those plans as far as Combined Insurance and its offerings go.
Yes.
What how'd you get into the insurance? The insurance industry. Tell us a little bit about your background and so forth.
Yes. Yeah. So I'm actually a technology person. I was in the technology transfer business, and been there in that business for quite a while. But I've always been interested in insurance, because I really see that this is something that directly benefits people, and helping people to protect themselves against various illnesses, for example, as I mentioned, or income and protection is really key. Yes.
Right. And obviously, healthcare expenses are high enough these days for most people anyway. So having that supplemental, backup to their regular insurance plan, I'm sure is helpful, especially when they're out of work and they need some, that supplemental income.
Right.
Are there any particular industries that you're focused on in terms of offering your different plans? I mean, I would think that industries like construction, for example, where guys might get injured at work and need that. Is that an example of an industry you're focused on, and what are some of the other industries you might be looking to connect with to share your information about your plans?
Yeah. So typically, we're actually interested in all industries. There are no industries that we cannot provide services to. Because this is really insurance, and it's individuals, and it's also the businesses. So it really a broad range of businesses, small businesses, big businesses. But we are really mainly focused. I am focused on sort of small to medium-sized kind of businesses.
I gotcha.
Yeah, to 50 employees and up to sort of 50 employees. But within the company, obviously, we can cover as big as any company can be. Yeah.
Excellent.
Yes.
Okay. So within those companies that you're reaching out to and trying to make connections with, who are the people that you're usually talking to about adding one of your benefit plans? Are there any particular titles that they have, that type of thing?
Yes. Typically, actually, we're looking at the owners of the businesses, and we're also looking at the for example, in the human resources, they provide also various benefits, including healthcare plans and healthcare benefits. So those are the people we are looking to, because those are the ones that are actually directly make decisions on healthcare matters for the organization.
I got you.
Or for a particular company.
So owners and HR people.
Yeah,
okay.
HR and those who really, people who make decisions on healthcare benefits,
right,
and things like that. Yeah.
Excellent. Okay. So when you think about combined insurance and how its offerings and how it compares to other insurance companies that are out there that may be doing the similar things, what makes Combined different from those other companies, and what makes them unique, and why people should consider Combined over some of the others?
In general, we provide similar types of plans, but there may be some little differences here and there. For example, in terms of, the duration it takes before you can get the benefit, may be different between companies, and there are some plans that are unique to us as well. Yes.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Let's talk about you for a second here. Why should people connect with you? Obviously, there's a lot of different insurance guys out there offering these type of benefit plans. What makes what can people expect when they actually have a conversation with you about what Combined offers?
Yes. When the people speak with me, I think they should expect to meet a person who is very, very interested in their problem, the problems they're trying to solve, their life, especially in terms of healthcare. And to some extent, a little bit of life insurance, but really mainly on healthcare. And there's nobody who doesn't have healthcare issues, whether it's protection for now or for the future. So they'll find me a very friendly person who is extremely interested in helping people. I'm very excited about the opportunity to be part of the community and present these services to the people.
Awesome.
Yes.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And you've been very active in the chamber so far, so we certainly appreciate that, even though you've been here with us for a short time.
Yeah.
Let me ask you, so when you think about those businesses that might be good referral partners, companies that you can partner with and maybe pass referrals back and forth or develop those type of relationships, what are some of those companies or professional individuals that you want to connect with to develop that type of referral relationship?
Okay, so I'm really also interested in sort of small kind of businesses, IT companies, because I come from the technology background. The garages, the agencies, nursing agencies, or in the healthcare, also in the healthcare business.
Okay,
practically those types of people, media, advertising. So generally, all sorts of businesses that need insurance.
So nobody is specific, but those that know that there's a need for the supplemental health insurance type stuff.
Insurance, yes.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Yeah. Great.
Yes.
All right. So anything else you want to share that?
Yes. So I'm very excited to be part of the community. I live in Marlborough. I am right here in Marlborough, and so people can contact me. My telephone number is 610-613-3120. Again, 610-613-3120.
Awesome. And of course, they can reach out to you on the email, which is shown on the screen here. So that's great.
Yes.
Excuse me. So thank you again for coming on today, Kennedy. Really appreciate you being here and sharing information about yourself and Combined Insurance. Highly recommend you get to know Kennedy at one of our networking events or just by reaching out and having a conversation. He's a great guy, and I really am pleased that he's joined our chamber. So that covers it for today's Chamber Spotlight video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.